if I told you that an asteroid just flew closer to Earth than the space station, and we didn't even see it coming? That NASA might have just found the first galaxy ever created, and that SpaceX is about to lose their moon landing contract. On October 1st, asteroid 2025 TF flew just 266 miles over Antarctica. That's the same altitude where astronauts are right now on the International Space Station. The craziest part? We didn't spot it until hours after it had already passed us. NASA just reopened the competition for the Artemis 3 lunar lander on October 21st, inviting other companies to come compete against SpaceX Starship translation. NASA might be getting nervous about whether Starship will be ready in time to beat China back to the moon. The James Webb Telescope might have just spotted a galaxy called Capotauro that formed just 90 million years after the Big Bang. Interstellar comet 31 Atlas swept by on October 3rd. Now that it has just passed its closest approach to the Sun, the comet is erupting with powerful jets as it heats up, shredding huge amounts of material into space. What makes this special is we've only discovered 3 interstellar objects ever. China just hit its 600th Long March mission when a Long March 8-8 lifted off on October 15th, deploying a batch of Guowang broadband satellites that build out China's answer to Starlink. Europe's space agency ESA just opened a permanent office in Tokyo on October 28th to deepen cooperation with Asian space programs. In early October, Blue Origin rolled out their massive New Glenn rocket to Launch Complex 36 in Florida for testing. This is the rocket that will launch NASA's Escapade mission to Mars, currently targeting its first launch window in early to mid-November. NASA recently awarded Blue Origin a mission to deliver the Viper rover to the moon's south pole in 2027 as part of the Artemis program. This comes on top of NASA already selecting Blue Origin's Blue Moon lander for a future crewed Artemis mission. So while everyone online keeps on talking about Starship delays, Blue Origin has been quietly stacking government contracts and expanding operations at Cape Canaveral.